What's up, everybody? We got a 2006 Nissan Frontier. Doing a thermostat, which is this guy here. We got three 10mm bolts holding it in. We got a brand new one. So I just use a little get up like this, 10mm on a wobble head extension, and just want to clean this maybe surface area off. And I just got this down in here, and you can kind of see them from up here, feel for it or whatever. And I just took it off like that, and then afterwards I just used some hose clamp pliers to remove the clamps, roll them down, and then take it off. And so when I put it back in, you're gonna clean it up. I'm gonna put these bolts on first, and then I'll put the hoses on afterwards. Seems like it'll be easy that way. I guess I should backtrack a little bit too. I mean, it's pretty easy. Just take out this 8mm here, pop these two little clips, there's some shit on the bottom, take out your plug, press the bottom on top, voila. And then it's gonna look like this when you get to it. Now, like I said, I just took, the extension and felt around for it, took them out. But if you want to, you can try to get these hoses off first. I found it's easier for me just to take the hoses off later. But when I put them on, the 90-degree pliers work pretty good if you position your clamps right. And for this one right here, I just used some regular hose clamp pliers to push it up, like these right here. Then just put that back on, plug it back up, and then we're just gonna bleed it out by taking this off right here, topping up the fluid, let the car run, get up the operating temperature, and then top it off and take it for a test drive. It's a 2006 Nissan Frontier with a 4.0 liter